สวัสดีครับนักศึกษา Hello students. This content is about the MAS course, and the topic today is we're going to talk about ERP, which stands for Enterprise Resource Planning System. It's a kind of computer system, okay? And first content, this is already online. You're going to have a look this the definition of ERP. You can see that ERP, or Enterprise Resource Planning, is a process used by companies to manage and integrate the important parts of their business. Means integrate into application. So you're going to have one application and can run all parts functioning of a company. Okay, many ERP software application important companies because they can help implement resource planning by integrating all processes needed to run their companies with a single system or a single application. Okay, meaning is it can be different applications. For example, you can have HR, human resource application. You can have what's that called? Sale application. You can have accounting application. You can have factory application or production application. All these applications running independently, but they are on the same database. So you can see that they link together by using the same data. Okay. Then what the benefit of having our application running on the same database is we can analyze the whole data at once. Okay, at once. So this is something different from another concept. Another concept to be contrast is called enterprise. Enterprise application integration. Okay. The other concept besides the ERP is called EAI, which is called Enterprise Application Integration. This kind of concept, I believe that each application they have its own strength on any transaction. For example, you can have one application for HR task, one application for sales task, one application for accounting tasks, and another application for how you say that marketing tasks, for example. And they are running on different applications. They are running on different database. But this kind of enterprise application integration is we are going to make another applications which allow data to flow from one application to another application. For example, when the application record about the salesman sell how many amount of how much amount of money of this month, and that has to be calculated for commission in the HR application. This kind of information will flow into HR department or HR application at the end of the month, at the end of each month. And this kind of flowing information can happen using EAI. Okay, I'm trying to contrast between two concepts. First one, ERP. ERP is they have all application at once since they're born, since they install or implement it. They have application for HR, they have application for sales department, they have application for marketing department, so and so. And they all run on the same database. So they share the same data structure and they can analyze data at once. You don't have another application to let the information flow from one application to another application because they share the same data. As contrast, EAI is the opposite. EAI comes later. EAI comes when at a firm they already started to have applications running on different departments for different tasks. But they have to let the information flow from one application to another application, so they need the third-party application to let this happens. So that is EAI. Okay, and I'm going to go on another. Okay, let's check a little bit. What are they? Okay, you can have video, so you can have a look at it. What is it? Okay, so basically it's about information system to process data for different departments or for different functions in a firm, in a company. Okay, so that is a short definition of ERP. Let's go next. We have SAP. So it goes. It has the video also. What is SAP over here? SAP is say that it is one of the world's leading producer of software for the management of business process, developing solutions for facilitate effective data processing and information flow across organization. Okay, basically it says that SAP is actually an ERP solution. It is an ERP solution. It's an ERP solutions which is the world class. I can say that many big organizations implement this kind of software. Okay, implement this kind of software, and it has several modules. For example, this what solutions are available in SAP. You have ERP and financials. In ERP and financials, finance, you got many modules under that. Okay, let's see if we can have some of these. Okay, learn more about it. ERP for small and mediums, mid-size. 80% SAP customer recently implemented SAP in HANA. Financial planning and analysis. Accounting. Okay. History management. So many. Just going back a little bit. SAP actually offers several services. Like ERP is one of the solutions. Okay, and then they have CRM. They have so digital supply chain, digital business technology platform, digital transformation, small and medium-sized, mid-sized enterprise. And okay, and yeah, it's the big business on implementing SAP, and it's the cost a lot to organization as well, but they also very beneficial for a firm. So usually is big firm, they usually implement SAP. Okay, big firm, big company. And the next concept, the next topic is about CO module in SAP. Since you guys are from accounting, so I have to talk about this. CO is actually means controlling. SAP controlling is another important SAP module offered to an organization. It supports coordination monitoring and optimization of all processes in the organization. Okay, CO is actually an accounting module. It's actually an accounting module. Okay, it's the accounting module. So you implement CO, meaning is you implement the accounting for that firm. Okay. You may have question about, okay, SAP is a very huge, is a huge application, no, a system, because it integrates all parts into this uh, application. So how can it fit to a firm? Because each firm, they have different functions, they have different in detail departments functions. So it's actually, they have ways to customize this uh, application. The way to customize application is actually is called, they have to use a programming called ABAB. See, SAP programming language is called ABAB. In ABAB, it's the kind of programming things, but it's the sit on top of the solution. So with ABAB language, you can customize your SAP, your module. Okay, so that way they can customize the application for different organization. Okay, so that way it provide the information. Okay, so we have a little bit on the assignments. You guys can have a look. It's asking 3 questions. One is about when a business is initiated, should it start its ERP implementation right away? Should it start the implementation to implement ERP right away? Second question is what can be alternatives for implementing ERP in a firm? Should we have different kind of ERP, or we just only have SAP only? Okay. Number 3 question: what kind of data a firm can analyze after implementing controlling module for SAP? Okay. So we have 2 questions that you can have a look. Okay. Thank you for today. Bye for now.